In this example problem, you have a triangle where you have one side of the triangle that is 3 meters and another side that is 7. And the angle that is adjacent to the 3 meters and opposite to the 7 meters is the angle that you want to find. I encourage you to pause the video and try this problem and then come back and watch my solution. Since I have the two sides of the triangle and I'm trying to find an interior angle, first thought is to use inverse tangent. So inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent. So the inverse tangent of opposite would be 7 meters divided by adjacent, which is 3 meters. The angle in this case would be 66.8 degrees. Now, if you did exactly what I wrote above and you're getting a different number, you should make sure your calculator is in degrees and not in radians, especially if you've been taking a lot of math classes or if you have just bought a new calculator. The default setting for calculators is to be in radians, which will not get you the same answer because it's a different unit for angles.